Have you ever felt the call of the wild, a longing for vast, open spaces where the sky seems to stretch on forever, and the spirit of ancient traditions still echoes across the land? If so, then join us on a journey to a place that embodies this very essence, Mongolia, the wild heart of Asia. Our adventure begins not in a bustling city, but in the silence of the Gobi Desert. Forget what you think you know about deserts. The Gobi is a realm of incredible diversity. Imagine standing before the Khuvsgul Els, the legendary singing dunes. These colossal sand mountains, stretching over 100 kilometers, emit a deep humming sound as the wind sweeps across their crests. It's a natural symphony that feels both humbling and otherworldly. Climbing to the top is a challenge, but the reward is a panoramic view that will etch itself into your memory, a sea of golden sand under a sapphire blue sky. But the Gobi's wonders don't end there. We venture to the Flaming Cliffs, or Bayanzag, a name given by American paleontologist Roy Chapman Andrews in the 1920s. As the sun sets, these ochre-red sandstone cliffs ignite in a fiery blaze of color, looking as if they are truly on fire. This is hallowed ground for dinosaur enthusiasts. It was right here that the first ever nest of dinosaur eggs was discovered, proving to the world that dinosaurs laid eggs. Walking through this ancient landscape, you can't help but feel like you've stepped back millions of years into a world ruled by giants. Leaving the desert's embrace, we travel north, where the landscape transforms dramatically. We arrive at the Orkan Valley, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the cradle of nomadic civilization for centuries. This lush, green valley, carved by the mighty Orkan River, has been the heartland of great empires, including the legendary Mongol Empire founded by Genghis Khan himself. Here, we find the ruins of Karakorum, the ancient capital. Standing amidst these stones, you can almost hear the thunder of hooves and the whispers of a bygone era when this was the center of the largest contiguous empire in history. The nearby Erdin-Zu monastery, with its 108 stupas, stands as a testament to the enduring spiritual heritage of the Mongolian people, a peaceful sanctuary that has weathered the storms of time. Our journey continues to another of Mongolia's jewels, Khuvsgul Lake, known as the Blue Pearl of Mongolia. This is one of the world's most pristine freshwater lakes. Its waters are so clear you can see straight to the bottom, reflecting the surrounding Siberian taiga forest and snow-capped mountains like a flawless mirror. This is a paradise for nature lovers. We'll take a boat out onto the crystalline waters, the silence broken only by the gentle lapping of waves against the hull. We'll meet the Sotin, the reindeer herders, a unique community whose lives are intrinsically linked to their herds. Spending time with them, learning about their shamanistic beliefs and their deep connection to the natural world, is a profound and eye-opening experience. From the tranquil shores of the lake, we head west, into the rugged Altai mountains. This is the realm of eagles and giants. The Altai National Park is home to Mongolia's highest peaks, eternal glaciers, and a raw, untamed beauty that is simply breathtaking. And it is here that we witness one of the most incredible cultural traditions on earth, eagle hunting. The Kazakh eagle hunters, or burkachi, have passed down this ancient art for generations. Watching a hunter on horseback, a magnificent golden eagle perched on his arm, is a sight of incredible power and grace. The bond between the hunter and his eagle is one of deep respect and partnership. To see them work together, soaring against the backdrop of the majestic Altai, is to witness a living piece of history. As we journey across this vast country, it's not just the landscapes that captivate us, but the people. The legendary Mongolian hospitality is real. We'll be invited into a traditional ger, the circular felt homes of the nomads. Inside we'll share sute sai, a salted milk tea, and arowel dried curds, with a family whose ancestors have roamed these steppes for millennia. Their lives are simple, yet rich with a wisdom born from living in harmony with the land. They are masters of survival, resilient, proud, and incredibly welcoming. Listening to their stories, sharing a meal, and looking up at a sky unpolluted by city lights, filled with more stars than you've ever seen, is an experience that connects you to the very soul of humanity. Mongolia is more than just a destination. It's an experience that changes you. It's a land of endless horizons, where the spirit of freedom runs as wild as the horses that gallop across the steppes. It challenges you, it inspires you, and it reminds you of the profound beauty that exists in the world's most remote corners. From the singing sands of the Gobi to the crystal waters of Khuvsgul, from the ancient capital of Karakorum to the eagle hunters of the Altai, Mongolia is a journey into the heart of adventure itself. It's a testament to the enduring power of nature and the resilience of the human spirit. Thank you for joining us on this incredible exploration of Mongolia. We hope this journey has ignited your own sense of wonder and adventure. If you enjoyed traveling with us, please give this video a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't want to miss our next adventure. Until then, keep exploring.